you okay?
Huh? Sorry.
Will you come to my party at 6?
Sure. At 6? I need to get ready. Wow. Wow. What time is it? It's time for your makeup. Okay. Wait. Huh? It doesn't match the dress. Yeah, you're right. I have to try them all. No. Perfect. Yeah, right.
La 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 la.
Oh, thank you for your help. That's why I'm your stylist, baby.
Have fun.
Lily, you're so beautiful!
Seriously? What's that?
3 hours, 30 minutes before party.
I need a new outfit. Too bright. Whoa. Too basic. Is this even mine? I have nothing to wear. I know. That's it.
Lily's baby stuff.
Now, where's that dress? Oh, there it is. Looks like I grew up. I did it. Wow. Not now.
Contour is everything. Sorry.
Next.
Use pepper.
Are you serious? Next.
And take.
Oh, that's what I need.
Say yes, yes, yes to new adventures. Yes, yes, yes. You've got potential. Yes, yes, yes. Do everything, yeah.
Ooh, I like this makeup.
Lily. Good makeup.
Thanks, Mom.
Go get groceries.
Mom, but I'm late for the party.
Or you won't go anywhere.
Okay, Mom. Rude. A beauty salon. But I can't afford it. Take the money for groceries. No, you can't take them. Sorry, Mom. Thank you. Wow. Everybody's gonna like it.
Your dress.
Thanks. Oh, this is the one. Oh, I'll be the prettiest at the party.
My dress for Chris's party.
I need a new dress. Too long. Too short.
Oh.
This is the last one.
Oh, sorry.
Lily, my card is not endless.
Huh? But the dress is good.
2 hours before party.
I need to get my hair done. What should I do? Let's do this. I don't like it. It's not real. I really did it! Chris can't see me like this. What? Still purple? Why?
Ugh, Lily. It needs washing. Lily, where's your room always a mess?
Mom, not now. I'm late for the party.
Okay. My daughter's growing up.
Oh, really? Oh, what's wrong with this day? It's my dress for the party. Oh, it couldn't be worse. I hope the dress won't stain. Oh.
1 hour before party.
Chris!
Lily, you're late.
Lily, what happened?
Mom, I screwed up.
I can help.
Huh? Mom, I'm scared.
Mommy knows best, baby.
Today I'm perfect and I know that I'm perfect and you forget. I'm perfect and I know that I'm perfect and you forget. Open up, give them a smile, your heart knows what to do. Then your soul there is a style, you see me, I see you.
Done.
Wow! Mom, you're a fairy!
My girl. Oh, you will look like me on my prom.
Oh, I really do! Thank you, Mom. Bye!
Lily, come on in.
Where's the party?
Tomorrow?
What?
Tomorrow, 6 p.m.
Tomorrow?
Wanna go on a date?
It was worth it. I'm sure.
Yeah, let me get ready.
Okay. This will take time.
I'm ready.
Oh, so fast.
Yeah.
Huh?
How about Pepper?
Ew.
Oopsie.
Ew. I should go to the
What
bathroom.
are you doing?
Ew.
It's him.
I have to fix this.
Miss. You have to pay the bill.
My boyfriend is coming.
We're closing.
Huh? Closed already? But I have no money.
Pay the bill.
Oh.
Okay, you're free to go.
Lexi, what are you doing here?
He dumped me again!
Poor girl, come in. Oh, she shouldn't see it.
I failed again! That was the worst date ever!
Screw it. Lexi, don't worry about him. I love you so much.
What would you choose? Your crush?
Or your best friend. Comment down below.